Lately, I've been exploring investments, not by chasing hype or trying to predict the market, but by studying how powerful ideas evolve over time. I don't begin with companies. I begin with themes. Because every major shift, cloud computing, electric vehicles, genetic medicine, started as a quiet scientific wave long before it became obvious to everyone else. And within those waves, some businesses build moats. So what is a moat? In business terms, a moat is a durable competitive advantage that protects a company from competition. It's anything that makes replication slow, expensive, or risky. Patents, proprietary research, deep partnerships, strong ecosystems, or regulatory complexity. Think about ASML. Decades of engineering make their machines almost impossible to replicate quickly. Visa and MasterCard, their payment networks grow stronger with every new user. Apple, an ecosystem so integrated that switching away feels costly. And in biotech, moats often come from time itself, years of clinical trials, scientific data, and approvals that competitors cannot fast forward. But here's where my process becomes different. I don't rely on complex financial models to discover themes. Sometimes I start with something as simple as AI-assisted web search. I ask questions like, what futuristic technologies are gaining momentum? Which scientific breakthroughs are appearing across industries? That's how themes like solid-state batteries, genetic medicines, and precision oncology started appearing on my radar. Then I go backwards in time. If a theme looks interesting, I study its ancestors. For example, when exploring genetic medicine, I look at how earlier therapies like monoclonal antibodies evolved, how long trials took, which stages historically had higher success rates, and where real business advantages started forming. AI doesn't replace thinking. It just helps me connect dots faster, surfacing historical patterns I might have missed on my own. And here's the truth most people don't talk about. You will miss moats. I miss them too. Nobody catches every opportunity. Sometimes you'll even fail, and that's part of the process. But one strong moat company, just one business that compounds quietly over time, can completely change your edge. So instead of chasing noise, I use AI as a lens to explore themes, understand history, and simplify discovery. Not to predict the future, but to study how it unfolds. This isn't financial advice. It's simply the mindset I use to look for signals hidden in plain sight.